Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my video for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Definitely make sure you take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So, anyways, we had Swiss interest rate news today, and they did end up lowering interest 25 basis points today, caused the US dollar Swiss to go up pretty strong, caused the Swiss to become pretty decently, um, caused the Swiss itself to be a little bit weak, which caused the US dollar Swiss to go up. Now, we have to keep in mind that the daily time frame is definitely down until we get this break of structure, which we definitely do not have yet. So unless it goes up and blows past all those sort of time frame fib levels and gives us a break of structure, we have to keep in mind that this move up could very likely be a correction to the last wave down. So that brings me back down to the 1 hour time frame where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the whole push down. If it does decide to make some sort of a three-wave move, which I definitely don't think it's just going to turn down now, if it does decide to make some sort of a three-wave move like an ABC correction to a Fibonacci level, with an engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely go short again. Now, keep an eye on it because if it just ends up blowing past all these fib levels without giving you the break of structure, and then instead goes up and breaks this daily time frame structure that I just showed you, then that definitely is going to mean that the daily time frame is either in a crescent to the whole move down, either a crescent to the whole move down, and like that, which I think is more likely, or possibly there is a chance it's a complete trend reversal. But none of that is even really even true until we get the break of structure. It could easily just do this and just keep on going down. The trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down on these shorter time frames as well as the longer time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading to everyone.